What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Domestic Imports. My name is Preston, as always, and today I'm going to be taking out my under the dash harness that I have currently in here and putting a newish one in its place, because the one that I have actually in it right now is from a CRX, and it turns out those they're not compatible, even though that it would seem that way. It's just not. And I'm having one hell of a time trying to hook everything up, and the one I got is made for my car, so I'm just going back with stock and all that. So buckle up, hold on, because here we go. Alright, so like I said in the intro, what I'm pretty much doing is I'm taking out the whole harness that goes underneath the dash that, controls pretty much everything. I'm going to be taking that out completely, which means I'm going to have to cut all the soldered wire that I ran in here. All this mess is going to go away. I'm probably going to clean up while I'm at it. I'm going to take the new harness that I got in the mail today and obviously cut it open and move the wire that goes from the driver's side, which is the left-hand side in the US. I'm going to move that over to where I originally want this. You don't have to do it this way, but I'm going to. I did it this way because it's more convenient for me to do it all at once in one area, and just having one set of wires going into the engine bay than two of them. I did it that way because it helps me a whole lot more, but you don't have to. I like it this way because it's my car, But anyways, this is sort of what so all this wiring harness, except for that's a spare one that I have. It's a mess. All this through here, I'm not going to be taking out this guy because I don't have to. So that wire right there, I'm gonna have to cut this wire, which goes out to the tuck harness, that goes inside the fender well right there. And then I'm gonna be doing the same thing on that side as well. And then obviously I'm gonna have to, I think my plan is to find the other part of the jumper wire harness that I cut up, because pretty much what I did was that harness wasn't good, so I took it off. Pretty much just used the OBD1 harness or little adapter part and just hot wired into the harness itself. I don't know if I messed up there or what, but I'm going to try to find the other one. If not, I could just do the same thing like I did before and just run all the wires where they need to go. But that's whenever I get the other part of it done. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna take you guys on this little adventure. So, well, I should say that, so what I'm gonna start with now is just by taking everything off and getting it out of here. So before I get started with this, if you guys are ever taking off a dash or anything, please note where everything's going, whether it be masking tape that you can write on with it with a Sharpie, or I don't know, just whatever way is comfortable with you, do it, because this was a pain in the butt to figure out where everything went. So yeah, just a helpful tip. But anyways, yeah, so here I go, taking this all apart. Alrighty. That didn't take too long. So, uh-oh, that's still connected. Oh, I need that to stay in here. That goes to my S2K, or S2K, God, my S300. But yeah, see how much neater it is without the harness? Wish it was all Bluetooth capability. That would be nice. But anyways, this is the CRX harness, and I'm gonna be taking it out, taking it to my room, and doing some stuff with it. So yeah, which you'll guys see in this next clip. Obviously it's going to take me a little time and all that, and I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to try to work on it periodically, and you know, if my battery dies, I'm going to have to stop and all that, because I don't have an actual charger. I have to charge it through my GoPro now. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I got a new GoPro. That's what you guys are watching through right now. So right now, what I'm gonna do is, this is just giving you guys a little update on what's happening with the car so far. I'm gonna work on the harness, which is upstairs in my room right now as we speak, and I'll go ahead, post this up, and then I'm going to make another video of me actually working on it. I don't know when that will be or how long it's gonna take me, because you know, I'm going to school, work, and all this, and then trying to rearrange it. But I will work on this little by little and hopefully get everything situated where I want it to be, and then hopefully after that video goes out, I'll work on putting it actually in the car and seeing if it'll start up for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also thank you guys so much for the last video. You know, I think it was like 490 something last time I checked it, views on that video, and I'm so grateful that you guys are watching it, and I hope you like it. If you did, please comment down below on that one, and if you want to see more of people's rides being interviewed or whatnot. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like and comment down below, and if you want to give me pointers, I don't know, anything really. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.